We're going to do a brief video of GBPUSD. That's GBPUSD Analysis Today. And we've got a British pound versus a US dollar chart for you, daily chart. It's got a 5-day moving average in green, a little hard to see, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. The first thing we notice about this chart is this currency is in a deep bear market. We bounced off the 200-day moving average right here at about the middle of January 2022. We've been in a very serious bear market ever since. And let's take a quick look. You can see the characterization of this market and the way it trades. It gets too far away from the 200-day moving average and rallies back. Did it again here in May, rallied back. Did it again here in July, rallied back. And it's in the process of definitely doing that right now. It's way too far away from the 200-day moving average here on September 7th. That bottom there of 1.140 is getting a huge amount of distance and getting too far away from the 200-day moving average. So looking at this chart, I expect a rally right about the 118 range and fairly shortly 118.9 range, 1.189 roughly, that area, and probably by about the end of September. I think that's a reasonable range. I'm not projecting a challenge to the 200-day moving average right this second, but we definitely are getting oversold in my opinion, and we need to move it up a little bit to the 118, 119 possibly area by the end of September. That's what I'm seeing right now. You'll notice we're below the 200-day moving average. We're below the 20-day moving average, but the 5-day moving average has gone horizontal because we're essentially getting some buying down through here, and this short-term little rally is over, at least for the near term. So we may go a little lower, we may go down here to 1.12, but I suspect even if we did that, we're still going to rally back up to the 118 level probably by the end of September. So that's my best guess for the British pound versus the US dollar right at the moment. Let's take a look and see what RBAM research says about it. Our low for the day here is 1.1462. Let's go down here and look at the algorithmically generated entry points. Find them here. And it looks like 1.15 across the board. Buy prices here. Let's go up and check that again. 1.15. Let's see what's going on here. Check it out. So we're in buy territory on ours, 1.146, so definitely hit the buys on this today. Let's go down and look at them again. These are all algorithmically generated entry prices for the major currencies, and where is it? We lost it. It's right here. GBPUSD is right here. So we have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods. These are trading days, and they're worst case. So if you choose this column, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea, you get in today, get out end of trading tomorrow at a loss, or take your profit as soon as you get it. You did the same thing for the 5. Get in today, hold it worst case 5 trading days, and get out at a loss unless you take your profit sooner, and so forth. These are out for every morning before 7 a.m. These are today's prices. Again, they Monday through Friday. They're out every morning. Let's take a look again real quick. So you would have hit the buy price on these, assuming your own analysis said it was a good thing to do it. And let's see if it's in the money. We are currently below entry, so they're not in the money yet. I'd have to take a look at a few minute chart and see if this got in the money already today. Keep in mind, you take your profits as soon as you can get them, and these are in the money today. Excuse me, these are hit and live trades for entertainment purposes only today. The market's traded through them is what I'm trying to say. Keep in mind, you have to use your own analysis. You can never use our entry prices for anything other than entertainment. So we have those all out for the major currency pairs every morning before 7 o'clock. You get them 7 a.m. You get them absolutely free at rbamresearch.com. No credit card required. You follow the link in the description below and sign up. In addition to the major currency pairs, we have 190 stocks that we follow. We cover crypto, BTC, and we cover the most liquid futures contracts. Please like this video. If you hit the like button if you like this video, please subscribe if you want to see more of these. We're putting out quite a few every week. And also, if you like technical analysis like we showed you earlier with the moving averages, please let us know in the comment section below. If you don't like it, please tell us what you don't like about it. Some people love it, some people hate it. We use it for descriptive purposes, but we really like quant trading that we just showed you. Please keep in mind everything you've seen and heard on here, including our entry prices and our commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. Can't use it for anything other than that. You have to trade at your own risk, and you should always do your own analysis.